What if I told you the worst part of school is about to become your favorite? That impossible math problem, that dreaded history essay. What if they were no longer a source of stress, but a launch pad for your creativity? It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. And it's all thanks to AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's shaking up education as we know it. How artificial intelligence is completely revolutionizing homework. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, AI for homework. Isn't that just cheating? Hold on, because it's so much more than that. We're not talking about just getting answers. We're talking about a complete game changer in how we learn, understand, and tackle our assignments. Forget the late nights staring at a blank page. The future of homework is here, and it's incredibly exciting. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's explore how AI is becoming the ultimate study buddy. First, let's break down the old way of doing things. You get an assignment, you go home, you stare at it, maybe you flip through your textbook, maybe you search online, but you're mostly on your own. If you get stuck at 10 p.m. on a Sunday, oh well, good luck. Your teacher is asleep, your friends might not know the answer, and you're left feeling frustrated. It's an isolating experience. We've all been there, feeling that wave of anxiety as the deadline gets closer and the problem just doesn't make sense. This traditional model hasn't really changed in decades. Even with the internet, we have more information, sure, but not necessarily more understanding. This is where AI steps in as a complete game changer. Imagine having a personal tutor, one that's available 24/7. That's what AI learning tools are becoming. Let's start with one of the biggest hurdles, writer's block. You have an essay to write, but the first sentence feels like climbing a mountain. AI tools can act as your brainstorming partner. You can feed it a topic like the impact of the Industrial Revolution, and it can generate outlines, suggest key themes, and even help you phrase your initial ideas. You shouldn't use it to write the essay for you. However, you can have it write an example to help enlighten and help kick the door open for you. It gets the gears turning, helping you organize your thoughts into a coherent structure. Instead of fighting a blank page, you're refining and building upon a solid foundation. Think about learning a new language. Memorizing vocabulary lists is tedious. AI-powered apps make it interactive and personal. They can create quizzes based on your weak spots, simulate real-life conversations with a chatbot, and even analyze your pronunciation to give you instant feedback. It's like having a native speaker to practice with anytime, anywhere. The app learns as you learn, adapting the difficulty so you're always challenged but never overwhelmed. This personalized pace is something a traditional classroom of 30 students simply can't offer. Now, let's talk about the dreaded STEM subjects: science, technology, engineering, and math. This is where AI truly shines as a teacher. Stuck on a complex calculus problem, this is the crucial part. You can now take a picture of it, and an AI tool won't just give you the answer. It will provide a step-by-step breakdown of the solution. It shows you the how and the why. It can explain the specific theorem used, link to relevant concepts, and even generate similar practice problems so you can make sure you've truly mastered it. It's like having a teacher patiently walk you through every single step until that aha moment clicks. It transforms a moment of frustration into a genuine learning opportunity. You're not just getting past the homework, you're building a deeper understanding of the subject. But what about creativity and critical thinking? Does AI kill that? I'd argue it does the opposite. It enhances it by handling the more repetitive, mechanical parts of an assignment. AI frees up your mental energy to focus on what really matters: analysis, interpretation, and original thought. For example, if you're researching a history paper, an AI can quickly sift through hundreds of sources to find the most relevant articles, quotes, and data points. This would have taken hours, if not days, of manual library work before. Now, you can spend that valuable time actually reading, thinking critically about the sources, forming your own arguments, and weaving them into a compelling narrative. The AI does the grunt work. You do the brain work. Let's consider a project for an art or design class. You might need inspiration. You can use AI image generators to visualize concepts. You could type in a surrealist cityscape inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night, and in seconds, you have dozens of visual starting points. This isn't cheating. It's a new form of mood boarding. It sparks ideas you might never have considered. You can then take that inspiration and create your own unique piece of art using your own skills and vision. The AI becomes a collaborator, a muse that's available on demand to help you push your creative boundaries. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethics of using AI in education is a huge conversation, and the line between using AI as a tool and using it to cheat can be blurry. It's not about letting the AI do your homework for you. If you just copy and paste an AI-generated essay, you're not learning anything, and you're likely to get caught. Most schools and universities are developing policies around this, and plagiarism checkers are getting smarter at detecting AI-written content. The real skill we need to learn is how to use these tools effectively and ethically. It's about learning how to ask the right questions, how to critically evaluate the information the AI gives you, and how to integrate it into your own original work. Think of it like a calculator. When calculators were first introduced, people worried students would stop learning basic math, but they didn't. Calculators just allowed us to tackle more complex problems faster. AI is the calculator for the 21st century, but for language, research, and problem solving. It's a tool that, when used correctly, elevates our abilities rather than replacing them. The future of education will involve teaching AI literacy right alongside reading and writing. Students will be graded not just on the final product, but on how they used AI in their process. They might be asked to submit their prompts, to explain how the AI helped them brainstorm, or to critique the AI's output. This shifts the focus from skills that just stick with you, memorization, to skills that are far more valuable in the modern world: critical thinking, problem solving, and digital collaboration. This revolution isn't just for students either. It's a massive help for teachers. AI can help create customized lesson plans tailored to the different learning speeds in a single classroom. It can automate the grading of multiple choice tests and simple assignments, freeing up a teacher's time to provide more one-on-one support to students who are struggling. It can help identify learning gaps early on, allowing for intervention before a student falls too far behind. By reducing the administrative burden, AI empowers teachers to do what they do best: inspire and mentor their students. So where is this all heading? Imagine a future where your homework is a fully interactive, personalized adventure. You're not just reading about ancient Rome, you're having a conversation with an AI chatbot playing the role of Julius Caesar. You're not just solving a physics problem, you're designing and simulating a virtual experiment to see the principles in action. Homework becomes less of a chore and more of an exploration. It becomes something you're genuinely curious about, driven by your own questions and discoveries. The key takeaway is this: AI is not the enemy of learning. It's a powerful ally. It's about shifting our mindset from viewing homework as a test of what we already know, to seeing it as an opportunity to learn and grow. It democratizes access to tutoring, provides instant help when we're stuck, and frees us up to focus on higher-level thinking. This is the ultimate game changer for students everywhere. The challenge for all of us students, teachers, and parents is to learn how to harness this incredible technology responsibly. We need to embrace it, experiment with it, and guide its integration into our schools in a way that truly benefits everyone. The homework revolution has begun, and honestly, I can't wait to see what comes next. What do you think? Have you used AI tools for your schoolwork? Let me know your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective on this. Thanks so much for watching! If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how technology is shaping our world. See you in the next one.